What's happening, y'all? It's your boy Biggs coming at y'all with another trade recap. You know what I'm saying? It is February 25th. And yeah, let's get right into it, y'all. Let me start off by saying that your boy traded like a fucking dumbass today. My biggest red day by far. And it was all in one trade pretty much, believe it or not. Your boy made a rookie mistake, man. I haven't done something this stupid in a minute, man. But let's get right into it, man. We had 2 orange folders today, or 3. I was focused on the 2 ones at 10 because I'm not waking up this fucking early. Yeah, but anyways, let's get right into it. So as you guys know, on the higher time frame, we are extremely bearish, like extremely bearish. Even on the daily, I'll show you the daily real quick. Yeah, bearish, right? Bears are winning. But yeah, so let me just explain this stupidity of a trade idea I had today. Not much so the trade idea, more so the risk. Actually, actually it was retarded. But yeah, so we were pushing lower to start 9:30, and we pushed lower and we took out this low. And before going short, I wanted to see price sweep London highs one more time before going lower. You know what I'm saying? Not sure why I needed to see another sweep. We had one right here, but yeah, I wanted to see price take out a buy side before going lower, just to confirm sell side. But I'm trying to get in here a little bit. But let me just explain why this setup was so stupid. So we took out this low right here, right at 9:30, and we started, you know what I'm saying, going trading the upside a little bit. More so ES, which was what I was way too focused on this morning. ES had a whole CISD, inverted both gaps, and I thought ES was going to take out London highs before going lower as well, which it did not. But anyways, the momentum was looking so good in the morning. I thought we were going to trade above these highs, at least this internal high and then London high right here before going lower. That I anticipated and pre-fired a buy after inverting the first gap, when in reality my setup requires, you know what I'm saying, both of these gaps to get inverted before going higher. So one, it was stupid because I prematurely bought in right here. 2, it was stupid because I risked too much. I lost like 480 or 490 on this trade. And 3, I'm going against the higher time frame bias. So I'm sure you guys have learned that lesson already, but I don't know, trying to anticipate the markets will ultimately burn you, because that's you trying to tell the markets that you know what's gonna happen before it happens, and then you get cooked and look stupid. You know what I'm saying? Have you sitting there wanting to cry and shit, you know what I'm saying? And then 2, risk management. Don't know why I went so heavy on this trade. I didn't think it was that much until it hit my stop. I was like, oh shit, like that was 400 or damn near 500 on one trade. Like, I'm stupid. So I wasn't even really calculating my risk the right way, because yeah, I normally but I went heavy on this trade for whatever reason. And then 3, I'm going against the higher time frame bias, so automatically the setup is not the most probable. Don't go against the higher time frame bias. I mean, you definitely can. There's I definitely saw a whole bunch of setups today that I pretty much called out but didn't take just because I wanted sells. But like, for example, there was this buy right here. This buy right here I was looking at. I was watching the whole session. Another thing too, don't do that. I was really just putting in way too much chart time today, and it didn't result in me making any money. So, you know what I'm saying, don't do that either. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, this was the trade that I took to start the day. So I started the day off on a horrible note. Honestly, should just close the charts after that and just, you know what I'm saying, took my L to the chin and just like hopped on FIFA or something after I journaled my shit, you know what I'm saying? But I was feeling some type of way. I knew we were going lower and I wanted to catch some sells. Didn't trigger this sell for whatever reason. Me and my boy JR hesitated on this one. We were like, it's kind of felt like it was kind of FOMOing in, even though we knew where the draw, you know what I'm saying, wanted to go. Like we knew what price was drawing to. But yeah, we have these lows and this low, and then ultimately I think this week we'll take out the 938 low. But we'll see. Yeah, and then so I didn't catch this setup and then watched it drop another 200 points, which was kind of depressing, you know what I'm saying, just sitting there. And then yeah, and then this is the second trade idea I had for the day. Believe it or not, I made all my money back on this and watched it go to break even. And didn't take any partials. Like an idiot. But honestly, I was really convicted that we were gonna go lower, but obviously that's not happening. But yeah, basically after we then dropped like fucking 400 points or whatever the fuck it was, 400 something points, I was waiting for this 15-minute gap to get hit, which was not an OTE. I believe, actually I think it was OTE. Yeah, pretty much the OTE of this leg, 15-minute gap, and you know what I'm saying, same thing I always do, you know what I'm saying. We came into here, look for the highest time frame inversion gap, and which was a 2-minute right here. You mark that up. 2-minute inversion gap, got in on the close, and you know what I'm saying, let her rock. You know what I'm saying, we had a 5-minute in between that one and the one you see. We had a 5-minute right, oh yeah, it was right here. So I moved my stop to break even pretty quickly once we tapped into here. Then we got an inversion, which was looking beautiful. And then price had came all the way down to this unfilled 5-minute with equal lows right here. Strong liquidity point. And I pretty much had made all my money back. I was up like 480 in this area. But ultimately I wanted to see price just tank all the way down here. But I was pretty convinced, you know, I was like, all right, well, we've already dropped so much today. There's nothing really stopping it besides this 5-minute gap and liquidity pool right here. I don't see price going back up, you know what I'm saying? Like I said before, my higher time frame draw was down here, and I thought I was gonna aim for all the way down there, but I thought I could at least get this 15-minute low, which I have marked up. I was gonna take some partials maybe at this 15-minute low, but ultimately I was holding to right here because I would have passed all my accounts if price had hit that fair value gap low. And that's another thing that you guys should not do, is worrying about passing your accounts in one trade, which was kind of stupid. But we had all this volume today. I thought maybe we could easily make it back to take out AM low, you know what I'm saying? Higher time frames bearish or whatnot. But as you guys can see, we took out these equal lows, tapped into this 5-minute, and price came to perfectly tap me out at break even before going lower. So that's fucking terrific, and I made no money today. So overall, all these counts are down 500 on the day. I'm back at this fucking 1800 range like I've been for the past fucking month. Yeah, man, I'm really frustrated right now. Didn't even want to make this video, but you know what I'm saying, you gotta do what you gotta do. I am fucking upset. Oh yeah, you guys wanna know the best part? I took that same dumbass trade on my funded account to start the funded account, you know what I'm saying? So that's also fucking amazing. Really excited about that. But it's all good. We'll make it back. We'll bounce back from this. I know it's just a minor setback, but man, it's just It's just one of those days, man. I'm really upset with myself. I feel like I say that a lot on this channel, honestly, which is kind of depressing. But yeah, I'm really upset with myself, man, and I'm sure you guys are doing well, staying with the higher time frame bias, and I hope you guys caught some of this because I didn't. And yeah, man, just keep practicing good habits. Learn from me. There's a lot of lessons to learn in this video today. Write them down or something because I know I need to. Yeah, man, don't make those stupid mistakes and you will see results, man. I don't know how I'm still a little bit sick too. It's been like 2 weeks. Shit's crazy. But yeah, that's enough yapping for me today, man. Hope y'all learned something. But continue to be safe in these markets, man. Thank y'all for tapping in, and I love y'all, man.